Hi, it's me, Flathub Beeblebrox, the British Tech Guru. Some of you want to know how to run the ATTiny88 and all the Arduino stuff that isn't supported on the official Arduino IDE. Well, we'll ignore this web page for the minute, and what we're going to do is we're going to go here to electronics, and I'll show you the IDE that you don't want when it eventually decides to open. There we go. This is the IDE that you do not want. It says 2.1.0.5 blah 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 blah. That one has a very limited range of here we go. That is all the boards it will work with. It won't work with anything else, which makes it particularly useless. That is available through the Mint App Store. That's junk. You don't want it. Now, if you have that, just get rid of it and then go to this web page, linuxcapable.com, and you go through all this instruction, and that's an important instruction. That is not what you want. What you want is the Flathub or Flatpak. So you want this instruction, and then you want to go through there, and there we go, and it's all done. So what we'll do now is we'll go to the installed Arduino IDE. Why it's in electronics and in programming, I have no idea. It seems stupid to me. But there we go. That is what it looks like. And it says Genuino. Well, anything says genuine in any language. It doesn't really make a lot of difference. But yeah, this is what you're looking for. It does take a little time to boot. Now this laptop that I'm running it on is pretty new. Actually, I bought it new and put Linux straight on it. Took Windows off. Never even booted it with Windows. But here we go. Tools and boards, and you get the tiny core so you can run the ATTiny88. Although I haven't run an ATTiny88 on it yet. And you get the ATTiny core. You get the ordinary. You get the ATTiny core stuff and that, and you can pretty much get any Arduino stuff you want on it. So yeah, this is what you want. This is what you program with. This is what I got my ATTiny88 to work with. I could not, and that was on my other laptop. I've just put it on this laptop. I have two laptops. So yeah, do this and you'll be peachy. If you want to use the ESP32, I do believe you can do ESP32 on this Arduino thing. Oh, there's an update available. That's nice. Well, I'll ignore that for the moment. I think you can do ESP32 on this, but I've been doing my ESP32 on Thony, and that works as well. So anyway, I hope this has been useful for you, and I'll see you again in the next video. Where's my pointer? There we go. Whoops. Yeah, there we go. And done.